Hi, are you looking for a property in Punavle? Well, you have arrived at the right destination. This is Property Cloud, your favorite online PropTech portal. What exactly is a PropTech portal? Well, it's very simple. It is something wherein you can do virtual property tours. What exactly is a virtual property tour? Something that you are going to witness right now with me, Ekta Kapoor. But before that, let me tell you what are the benefits if you are checking out a property over here. Well, very simple. Once you have done a virtual property tour, I'm sure you want to come and see the property physically. What is the way out? It is very simple. We have our relationship managers who will get you over here with a free pickup and drop service once you have shortlisted the favorite properties. Along with that, it is also zero brokerage, and also we connect you directly with the developers, and that to the premium developers in your town, which is an added advantage. Usi ke saath saath, if you're going to book a property with us, we will offer you the best of schemes that are available in the market. And today I am here at Kohinoor's brand new project, which is in Punavle, and this project is only 5 minutes away from the express highway. That's right, the Mumbai-Pune express highway. Not just that, this is a very huge property. It is constructed in a total land parcel of 8 acres, and it is going to have 8 towers which are going to be 22 floor height. Along with that, there are multiple amenities like swimming pool, zen garden, senior citizens area, gymnasium, and a lot more. Jogging track, amphitheater are just a few to name some more. Now it's time for me to show you their sample flat, which is again a beautiful one, something that you should not miss. Stay tuned with us and I'm going to show you their sample flat. Let's go. 1070 square feet is the area of this 3 BHK. I've already taken a good look at it, and now it's time for us to take a look at it together. Let's come inside, and before we come inside, let me tell you that they have provided these rubber strips right over here so that your doors stay safe, because this is on the highway, it's going to be a lot windy. And right behind the door is the foyer area. The foyer area is of 4.6 by 5 square feet. And now let's take a good look at your living and dining. The living and dining is of approximately 19 by 11 square feet. And it also comes with a very cute balcony right over here. Now the balcony, which is of approximately 8.7 by 7 square feet, comes with these anti-skid tiles and also this iron railing. Along with that, the balcony is also covered from 3 sides. Now, one thing that I really liked about this house is that you can already notice the living and the dining. There is a TV placed right over there, and from your dining, when you're having your dinner or if you're sitting with your guests in the living area, all of you all can watch the TV together. Usi ke saath saath, if there is somebody in the kitchen, even they have direct access to entertainment. How? Because the kitchen does not have a straight wall over here. It has this small partition right over here, and let's take a look inside the kitchen. Now the kitchen over here is of approximately 8 by 10 square feet, and it has this space for the refrigerator. Along with that, it comes with this L-shaped granite slab, and this one is really wider as compared to the regular homes. This gives a lot of workspace and does not create a cluster. And over here we have the vegetable sink at the end and this enclosed dry utility area, which also does not have walls, because of which there is a lot of air that's playing in the house. This dry balcony area is of approximately 3 by 10 square feet. It also has a sink over here at the end, and it also has a window which allows in a lot of ventilation and also the perfect lighting. And now it's time for us to check out the bedrooms. And now let's take a look at the bedrooms over here. This over here is the first bedroom, that's the kids' bedroom. And this one comes with a very big window over here that also comes with this grill for protection. But the windows open with a slider over here, and it comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net as well. Now let's take a look at the common toilet and bath area. This over here is the common area, and also this is the wash basin, और इसके सामने is the second bedroom. So first of all, we'll take a look at the second bedroom, and इसके बाजू में is the common toilet, which we'll take a look at. This is your second bedroom, which is of approximately 11 by 12 square feet. It comes with this space over here where you can place your cabinets or maybe your wardrobes, and also a pretty big window which allows in perfect ventilation and lighting as well. So this one is of approximately 4.6 by 7.6 square feet. It comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, and the CP sanitary fittings are a part of the standard flat furnishings. Coming back to our common areas, over here is the common washroom, which is of approximately 7.1 by 4.3 square feet. It comes with anti-skid tiles on the floor and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles as well. Now let's walk straight into the master bedroom, which is of approximately 14 by 11 square feet. And here also we have a balcony. The difference is this one does not open with sliding doors. In fact, they have given it very homely feel with these French doors. Now this balcony is of approximately 5 by 5 square feet. And if you are wondering where I am right now, this is your walk-in wardrobe along with the master washroom. So this area is of approximately 7.6 by 4.11 square feet, which is very big for your walk-in wardrobe and your dressers. And right over here is the master washroom, which is of approximately 7.6 by 4.6 square feet. And now that you have seen this beautiful apartment, I'm sure you're wondering how can you go ahead with the booking process? It's very simple. In the caption, we have mentioned a link on which you have to click so that you can register with us, and then our relationship manager will take you around the town and make you see your dream project so that you can go ahead with the booking process. And with Property Cloud, you can also avail some amazing benefits and discounts. Stay tuned with our channel and do not forget to have a conversation with me. Do let me know what do you think about this property and what do you think about our videos. Do not forget to mention it in the comments and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.